The scrambled egg is one of my top favorites amongst egg dishes.
How is
Perfectly soaked sabudana.
ऑयल? अब ये सांभर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो एक हिट आ रहा है ना, स्पाइसी, रेड चिली, पेपरी.
This dahi kakdi, I have to mention, is my all-time favorite accompaniment with sabudana khichdi. Broon khawanu, chai pivanu, vajjani life.
परफेक्ट. So starting out a new day in any city or anywhere in the world is very exciting.
Yes.
Exciting because breakfast.
Yes, it's like meeting a new person, a new city for the first time. तो पुणे में आज हम एक नया दिन शुरू कर रहे हैं with some new exciting breakfast places that we are going to search for.
You, let's go. तो ब्रेकफास्ट आ चुका है. ये है सली स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग्स डबल, सिंगल चीज ऑमलेट, ब्रून जैम बटर, चटनी सैंडविच.
चटनी सैंडविच. तुझे सबसे एक्साइटिंग क्या लग रहा है इसमें?
मैं देख ले.
और ये आया एक्चुअल टोस्ट.
एंड देयर इज मोर टोस्ट. वाओ.
The scrambled egg is one of my top favorites amongst egg dishes.
हाउ इट? इट्स लाइक एन इंग्लिश स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग. थोड़ा सा रनी है,
Which is the best part that
which is actually the best part. थोड़ा सा blandish है because that's how it is, but I don't mind it being bland.
I love it.
And it's being perfectly complemented with the sully.
Which is the Yazdani touch. Soft, semi-runny scrambled eggs with crunchy sully. Wow.
Oh, this is fabulous.
I really like the center of the scrambled egg because it's most runny.
Oh.
Wow. वैसे तो as soon as I stepped into this place, the first thing I wanted to eat was Broon jam butter, जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. But after I saw them make the scrambled eggs,
Yeah.
I was so torn. But now I'm going to go back to my first love, which is the Broon jam butter. Nice, kadak Broon.
अच्छा खासा जैमी है.
And going for it because it's like bachpan ka.
You know which cricketer was called Jammy?
Yeah, of course. I don't know. I was just thinking
चाय होना चाहिए था.
chai hone chahiye. So to answer your question, yes, I know Rahul Dravid was called Jammy. His father used to work in Kisan. That's why. Broon khawanu, chai pivanu, vajjani life.
Perfect. गरम गरम चाय,
बहुत ज़्यादा गरम.
कड़क ब्रून, but I'm not over the scrambled eggs yet.
Outstanding scrambled egg. और मैं खो जा रही हूँ इन दोनों के बीच में. While the chutney sandwich, which is such a classic thing, is waiting and dying for the attention it deserves. I will come to you. Patience.
We're at Cafe Yazdan in the camp area of Pune.
बहुत ही पुरानी जगह है, बहुत ही आइकॉनिक जगह है, बहुत ही पॉपुलर जगह है और बहुत ही सिंपल जगह है.
Because just like Bombay, पुणे में भी बहुत सारे ईरानी जाके सेटल हुए थे. So we are at Cafe Yazdan having this amazing breakfast.
So cheese omelette मुझे पसंद है, especially in Iranis. I know Mohit is not a big fan of putting cheese in everything, but I think the Iranis really get this right. And that's why. Because the cheese is like layers inside the omelette.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
Nice.
And changing tradition. Good?
ऑमलेट और चीज़ के साथ जो ग्रीन चिली है ना, दैट इज मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस।
I love it कि वो पूरा चीज मेल्ट नहीं हुआ है.
बाइट है,
It's retained its chewy bite.
कंसिस्टेंसी यार। और ऑमलेट भी ये थोड़ा सा जो ऐसे ऊपर से ये जलाते हैं ना ऑमलेट को, थोड़ा सा ये जो ऊपर से जलाते हैं ऑमलेट को, आई लव इट।
मगर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि उन्होंने ऐसे पूरा ग्रेट नहीं किया है. पतली पतली शेविंग्स ऑफ चीज़ नहीं है. नाइस चंक्स पीसेस ऑफ चीज़.
बट आई स्टिल लव दिस।
नाउ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग क्लासिक मैं तुझे दे रही हूँ.
चटनी सैंडविच। वैसे माजुरिन का चटनी सैंडविच मेरे को अब तक याद है।
आई एम श्योर ये भी अमेजिंग होगा.
It was good. It was good.
यहाँ के जो ये चटनी सैंडविचेस होते हैं, आई लव देम बिकॉज द चटनी इज स्वीट.
Little sweet. They add sugar.
इट्स लाइक अ मीठी हरी चटनी और ये सॉफ्ट वाइट ब्रेड के साथ क्या इसका जोड़ी बनता है. आई मीन इट्स सो गुड. None of this food is like spicy, high on masalas.
It's not.
It's not giving you a zing, but it's still so fulfilling, right?
Satisfying.
Very satisfying.
So honestly, मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि हम यहाँ पे आके कीमा पाव खाएंगे, like a typical Mumbai Irani
Correct.
cafe. But we're not missing the keema. At least I am not missing the keema.
Yeah, in fact, surprisingly, it's an Irani cafe with no chicken, no mutton. It
No
has
mutton, no
only
keema.
egg and bread dishes. But it's so fulfilling that we're not missing anything.
Wow. And it's full. On a weekday morning, it's full.
It's really interesting how the whole menu is based on only 4 ingredients as far as I can see.
Egg,
Egg, bread,
bread,
Cheese.
salli,
yeah, salli if you count that as an ingredient. Cheese, butter, jam, that's it. And milk to make your chai and shakes. That's about it.
Let's move on to the next place. Chalo, let's go. शॉप नंबर 2 है बिपिन स्नैक्स, जहाँ पे महाराष्ट्रियन ब्रेकफास्ट तो मिलता ही है, जैसे पोहे विद शेव एंड कोकोनट।
And साबूदाना खिचड़ी with दही काकड़ी and बटाटा चिवड़ा. लेकिन ये जगह ढूंढने में आपको थोड़ा सा आईसाइट अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करनी पड़ेगी because it is so tiny that you can just easily pass by and miss it.
It is literally a hole in the wall.
But you won't miss it because there's always a long queue outside, like you can see. And now we begin. Going straight for the khichdi with some chivda on top.
And I'm going for the poha.
Perfectly soaked sabudana.
तो मैंने यहाँ पे पहले खाया हुआ है, पोहा खाया है, साबूदाना खाया है, बहुत अच्छा है। Even the poha nice and soft, not too much of masala.
Color से थोड़ा फीका लगता है.
No, but it's not.
But I know the taste usually is really good when it's like that.
And it's got a little sugar. थोड़ा सा शक्कर है, थोड़ा सा इंदौरी टच भी है।
Yeah. Salt, sugar, chili, nimbu. That's it. Nothing overwhelming.
And coconut.
Cobra kothimir on top. This dahi kakdi, I have to mention, is my all-time favorite accompaniment with sabudana khichdi. It's meetha dahi with cucumber and peanut powder. And it makes for such a good partner to the khichdi.
It also cools the stomach.
So you can see this is a sort of Ferrari breakfast जो आप उपवास में खा सकते हो because this Maharashtrian batata sa chivda is a very upwas thing.
Typical fasting
Snack. So all of these are like things you can eat when you're fasting and it makes for a great meal. And right after eating sadri on scrambled egg, we're eating another version of sadri on sabudana khichdi.
Sabudana.
How versatile is the humble potato?
So a lot of people were ordering the bread patties over here. So I want
Try
to.
करें क्या?
हाँ वो है ना उसके पास. So this is what a lot of people have ordered.
It looks like it's a bread pakoda with a twist.
It is a bit.
क्योंकि ऊपर से ये मीठी चटनी है, प्याज है, and खोबरा कोथिंबीर, coconut and grated coconut and coriander.
Yeah. And it is stuffed with potato.
Yes, and deep fried with a coating of besan. Like a cousin of the batata vada
Yeah.
in wearing different clothes. The filling inside is very much like your batata vada filling. Outside you have a layer of bread and besan, which is like the batata vada. So yeah, very close, brothers.
थोड़ा crunchy है because of the
Fried bread.
fried bread, yeah. But मैं honestly बताऊँ, इसके साथ और पोहा के साथ I probably wouldn't have this.
I like it, but it wouldn't work for me for
it's
breakfast.
Good. It's good.
I'll have this for breakfast, poha khichdi, and I'll come here in the evening when I'm craving something deep fried and
Probably.
masaledar and mazedar.
So I'm going back to the poha. So you realize it's almost 11 o'clock and this place is still open for breakfast, which means it is bloody popular. It is
And
very,
it is
very
crowded. People are waiting outside that tiny
हाँ.
little
popular.
stall.
वो देखो. So again, the average price is about
40, I'd say.
45
Look at the
amount of
Meal.
breakfast. Yeah.
for just 45 rupees. What a steal meal.
Last bite. और अभी साउथ इंडियन के बिना ब्रेकफास्ट कैसे खत्म होगा, है कि नहीं? चलो. So 42 years भवानी पेट, वी आर एट सुंदरम इडली हाउस और हमारे पास ऑब्वियसली इडली है, वड़ा है, डोसा एंड सांबर एंड 2 चटनीज. यस.
Green and red.
So I'm going to start with the idli.
I am also going to start with the idli. Not just because it's an idli house, because it's idli.
Oh, this is not a Karnataka style sambar.
It's a nice spicy Tamil sambar,
Tamil, yeah, they are from Tamil Nadu.
which is not overdosing on jaggery, and it has just the right mixes in its sambar powder.
और ये पता है कैसा फील हो रहा है कि एक अच्छा सुबह को जो साइकिल पे इडली मिलती है ना, बट अ वेरी गुड वन. Their business flourished and they've now bought a shop. It's very good. And I don't mean to demean.
The Puk Puk idli wala, who comes with that little trumpety horn, it's just, if you can upgrade, why not?
Exactly. और ये सांभर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो एक हिट आ रहा है ना,
Correct.
स्पाइसी रेड चिली पेपरी,
Which I am guessing they must be making their own.
they must be making in their own. Yeah.
And the idli is perfectly spongy, cottony soft, soaking in the sambar. Okay, going for the dosa, which is not your kadak crisp dosa because it's been nicely folded into a triangle handkerchief.
तो फोल्ड करके हाँ.
ये बिल्कुल मुलायम सॉफ्ट डोसा है. There is no crunch or crisp element in it.
तो नॉर्मली ये लोग क्या करते हैं ना, सांभर को डोसे के ऊपर डाल के देते हैं, बट वी ऑब्वियसली नॉट चोजन दैट बिकॉज वी हैड द ऑप्शन ऑफ डूइंग दैट.
So that we could actually taste the texture of the dosa. And it's one of your homely dosas. This is the kind of dosa जो मैं कहती हूँ कई बार ऐसे like a baby food dosa. It doesn't need anything, no chutney, no sambar. By itself you can eat it. The red chutney, the garlic one is really spicy.
बट आई विल ट्राई विद द सांभर नाउ. ओह इट्स नाइस. क्योंकि ये डोसा इतना सॉफ्ट है ना, सांभर पूरा सोक कर लेता है. So with every bite of the dosa you're getting a सांभर का hit. Since you're saying,
Yeah, try the garlic chutney. It's really spicy. Very nice. There are these airy holes, which really speaks for the quality of the hands that make the dosa.
यहाँ पे मुझे इडली से बेटर डोसा लग रहा है ना?
डोसा बहुत ही बेहतरीन है, पर मुझे इडली भी अच्छी लगी. सो आई वुडंट से वन इज़ बेटर देन द अदर. अगर मैं यहाँ आऊँगी तो मैं हमेशा दोनों खाऊंगी. लेकिन एक और चीज़ है जो साइड में बेचारी इग्नोर हो रही है, और वो है वड़ा. नाउ आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट, आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ मेदू वड़ा.
मैं भी नहीं हूँ.
I can always skip the medu vada if it's in a row of idli and dosa and vada. But now that it's here and it does look appetizing, why not? Okay, it's been sitting in the sambar for so long. It has become like one of those soaked donuts. Look at that. It's a sambar soaked vada.
नहीं यार.
Maybe if it was hot and crunchy, not lost its life in the sambar, maybe it would have been great. But at the moment, these two are the stars, the dosa and the it. Maybe if it was not all soaked in sambar and lost its life to the sambar, it was still hot and crunchy, I would have enjoyed it because I'm sure it's a good vada. But with these two stars on the table, idli and dosa, I think we can give this one a skip.
हाँ नहीं, मेरा तो वैसे भी पैलेट ही नहीं है हाँ, मेदू वड़ा का, तो फिर I'm not gonna judge it. I'm just gonna ये डोसा खाने वाला हूँ मैं मजे से.
Yeah, I think it's a great note to end on. This soft,
Always South Indian food.
among South Indian food, this really soft and soulful dosa.
So on that note, we will rate
सबसे पहले हम गए थे टू एन ईरानी का कैफे यज़दान.
Yazdan, yeah.
वहाँ पर हमने खाए थे आउटस्टैंडिंग
Scrambled eggs or sali.
We are rating?
10,
Okay, yeah, 10. Cheese omelette.
8. It was a good cheese omelette, so 8.
Very good cheese omelette, 8.5. And the toast which came later, the butter toast, that was quite a cherry on the cake. Brune jam butter.
I would have wanted the broon to be a little more toasty, so 8.5.
Purely for the fun of brune jam butter, I would give it 7. Oh, and how can we forget
The chutney
classic
sandwich.
chutney sandwich.
Now, only because I like Mazurin chutney sandwich and I don't want to defame it, I would give it a 9.5.
It's a basic chutney sandwich, so I would say 8.
Whipping snacks. The poha was a good 9.
Only because I thought the khichdi was so outstanding. The poha was a 8 for me.
The khichdi, 8.5.
Khichdi was 9. And we ate a version of the bread pakoda.
Bread pakoda.
Vada.
I'll give it a 7 because it still had the crunchies of the onions and the chutney and everything. So yeah.
I would also give it a 7.
Sundaram Idli House, the idli is 9, sa is 9.5. I genuinely prefer the dosa to the idli.
Idli is 9.5. Dosa is 9.5. Vada is 8.
So let's go with Prachi's rating. Vada is 8.
And that brings us to the end of
This
another breakfast in Pune.
Yes, another breakfast in Pune.
Not the last one, we promise you.
Yes, not the last one for sure. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Recommend.
Recommend और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए.
पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या 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 है.
चलो, let's go.
चलो.
ये मंगा के खाओ. Boss,
It's too good.
you can't miss it. मंगा के खा भाई.